Welcome to Databit. This video will demo how norming attachment module works in any Sage 300 screen of your choice.
Okay, so now we see this AR invoice entry. You'll see this small attachment icon show up here. Okay, so we select a batch where we want to add the attachments, and we select the entries, and we go to this attachment icon. Click this icon to get these windows. In this window, there's three buttons: Add, Explore, and Refresh. We can use Add button to open the Windows Explorer and navigate to the folder where there's a file you want to attach to this Sage 300 screen. So we go to, let's say for this file, we want to edit. Okay, so you will see it copies the file to the folder where we define. To confirm it, let's see, we press Explore. You will see this, the software copies the file to the folder we define. This one is the batch number and this one is entry number. Okay, so now, for example, we think this file maybe is no need and we want to delete it. How can we do it? Again, go to Explorer, open the Windows Explorer, and then highlight the file we want to delete. Then just press the delete button in the keyboard. After that, you click refresh. Click refresh, you will see the file now is no more attached for this batch and this entry. You want to add again, go to click add button, navigate to the folder where there's a file, click, it will show up again. Okay, close. Okay, this is the example of adding the attachment management capability for the screen which have two link codes, which have two link fields. The software is also catered for the screen which needs only one link field. For example, of this IC item, we define only one link field. Let's take a look at the IC item screen. So here it has we use only one link field, and this is the items. Click the icon, you see these are the file attached for this item. Double click this file, it will pop up and you will see the content of the file. You can also go to click explore to see where is the location of this file. Okay, so this is how we can set up and use the attachment management capability for the Sage 300 screens.